This is the September 2nd daily problem. X squared plus x is less than 2. Let's first subtract both sides by 2. So now we have an expression that is like a quadratic expression. So this is what we're familiar with. Now we can immediately factor. And we can factor this into negative x minus 1 times x plus 2 is less than 0. So we know that the product has to be negative. And in order for something to be negative, we know that one of them has to be less than 0 and the other one has to be positive. So remember, negative we get by multiplying positive to negative. So one of these have to be positive and one of these have to be negative. How do we know which one is positive and which one is negative? Well, x plus 2 is obviously greater than x minus 1. It has to be. Therefore, x plus 2 has to be positive and x minus 1 has to be negative. So from this we have two new clues. X plus 2 is greater than 0 and x minus 1 is less than 0. Now let's solve. So x must be greater than negative 2 and x must be less than positive 1. So here we are left with the value range of x. X is greater than negative 2 but less than positive 1. And this is our final answer.